Marriage is like a lifelong yagna, where we have to learn to follow the virtue of self discipline, self control, and of being selfless help to others. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Book name Grahasth Ek Tapovan. Married life a hermitage in itself. Book introduction. Marriage is an important milestone in Indian culture, or in fact, any culture. Family is a fundamental building block of human civilization, and marriage is the glue that holds it together. The maintenance of the culture, the well being of its citizens, and the future of the society, that is, children, is ultimately linked to the success of the marriage. But for the success of the institution of marriage, certain rules or principles should be followed as described in this small booklet. Many questions cross our mind like why child marriage should be banned, or what is the right age of marriage? What is the ideal age for marriage and why? How should the partners be selected? What is the responsibility of the couple toward the family and society? Why community family systems are better? All this and more answered in this booklet. Few excerpts from the book. If you work hard to educate your daughter, make herself reliant and virtuous, then you are her well-wisher. Education is as important as health. It is important for mental development. Uneducated females can't help their children to be healthy and competent, and they do not know about lessons of life development. The ceremony is of equal happiness for both parties. Therefore, it is better if the expenses are equally distributed too. By doing so, no one is burdened by the finances, and both parties can have equal participation. We should start this trend. Both parties are unknown to each other on the day of the wedding. They get to know each other better after the wedding. To cement the relationship, following principles should be followed diligently. First, affection. Second, cooperation. Third, respect. Fourth, trust. The best solution is to form larger family, commune level cooperation. In this, the convenience, responsibility, and best arrangement for the members should be taken care of. Buying daily requirements, feeding children, cooking, washing clothes, entertainment, etc. should be done at the cooperative level. There should be provision for taking care of members who are orphaned or crippled. Such communities have been formed in communist countries, and they are successful too. The principle of working hard and consuming according to the requirements, if adopted, then central wealth keeps on increasing. Everyone gets benefited. No is hard pressed. Everyone's independence and responsibility remain intact. Some of the topics covered in the book. Marriage only after a certain age. How to find an appropriate match. Ideals of a marriage. Marriage not a mess but a responsibility. Procreation a huge responsibility. Proper management of a family.